Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Another frame based on sequence and series. I have tried my best to give you good overview from the from the beginning. Let's see and find out. But standard one. The nth term of a sequence is given by Tn is equal to n square. Tn is equal to n square, and Sn denotes the sum. And Sn denotes the sum of the first n terms of the sequence, then the value of S2, it is nth term formula. Put n is equal to 1, we will get first term, 2 times 1 square means 2, T2, 2 times 2 square, 8, T3, 2 times 3 square means 18, T4, 2 times 4 square 32, 32, that's our answer. What we have asked, we are asked to find sum of S2, sum of first two terms. S2 means sum of first two terms. S2 means sum of first two terms means T1 plus T2. T1 plus T2 without utilizing any formula, put values 2 plus 8. So sum of the first two terms is given by 10. Sum of the first two terms is given by 10. If I put n is equal to 1, it is our first term. Put n is equal to 8 is our second term. T3, 2 times 3 square means 9 to the 18 and so on. It is there is no need to find whether it is arithmetic, harmonic or geometric. You have given a term formula, general term formula. Run the loop by putting values of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, natural numbers. And we are asked to find the sum. S2 means sum of two terms. Sum of two terms. First two terms, 2 plus 8. S2 means sum of first two. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So 10 is the answer in that case. The second question is find the 13 terms of an AP. It is also mentioned that is an AP. We are already familiar what are the prerequisites for handling an AP. We should have fair idea about the first term, the number of terms, the common difference. 13th term. 13th term we are asked to find 13th term, and the sequence runs 5, 9, 13 and so on. First term is denoted by A. First term is denoted by A. How to find D common difference? It is either A2 minus A1, it's up to you. A3 minus A2, it's up to you. A4 minus A3, it's up to you. A5 minus A4 means in general AK plus 1 minus AK. The difference remains same. If you take any two consecutive terms, subtract the former one from the preceding one is subtracted from the proceeding one. Prior one is subtracted from the former one. Prior one is subtracted from the former one, or that is the general notation AK plus 1 minus AK. Okay, in that case we have D, A2 minus A4. 9 minus 4, it's 4, or 13 minus 9, it's also 4. And we are asked to find 13 term, n is equal to 13. N is equal to 13. Term formula for arithmetic, Tn, some writers write An as well. A plus n minus 1 into T. 13 term, put n is equal to 13. A is our 5 plus 13 minus 1, Rd is 5. 5, 12 times 5. Rd is 4, sorry. Rd is 4. 12 for the 48. 48 plus 5, it's 53. So 13th term of this AP is 53. 13th term of this AP is 53. We must be familiar what is A. A is our first term. D is our common difference. Let me give you good idea what is the formation rule for arithmetic. Look at this. A. Proceeding further, A plus D. Going back, it's A minus D. Proceeding further, A plus 2D. Keep on adding D. Proceeding backwards, A minus 2D. Proceeding forward, A plus 3D. Proceeding backwards, it's A minus 3D and so on. That is the mechanics or dynamics of arithmetic. What do you mean by first term? How to find common difference? What do you mean by n? That is general term for arithmetic. General term for arithmetic. Proceeding to question number 2, we have the sum of the first n terms of a sequence is given by Sn is equal to n square plus 2n. Then the expression for Tn becomes, what? Now we have given sum and we are asked to find nth term. Sum to nth terms are given n square plus 2n. A good question to watch or explore. Let's see and find out. S1 1 square plus 2 times 1. It will become 3. S1 means sum of the first term, only first term, A or A1. S2, sum of first two terms, S2, 2 square plus 2 times 2, 4 plus 4. It will become 8. Means S2 means sum of first two terms, A1 plus A2 is equal to 8. A1 plus A2 is equal to 8. A1, already we have handled. What is A? A is 3. A is 3. Putting value of A, 3. First term is A. We can easily manage second term. A2 is equal to 8 minus 3. It's equal to 5. Similarly, one can find the third term. Sum of first three terms. That is 3 square plus 2 times 3. 9 plus 6, it's our 15. Sum of first three terms is 15 and it is given by A1 plus A2 plus A3. We have first two terms. A is 4, A is 3 and second term is 5. 3 plus 5 plus A3. So 15, 3 plus 5, 8. Managing on the left hand side, 15 minus 8. So our A3 is 7. Now we have good idea what sort of sequence we have. First term is 3. Second term is 5. And so on. Look at this. On inspection, you have fair idea. It is arithmetic because common difference is 2 in that case. A is equal to D is 5 minus 3. D is also 2. What we are asked to find? The general term. We have A is equal to, we have A is equal to 3, sorry. A is equal to 3, D is equal to. Right, general term means keep n intact. To write general term for some term, keep n intact. First term is 3, n is n, d is 2. So we have 3 plus 2 times n minus 2. Negative 2 plus 2, it's our 2n plus 1. That's our general term in that case. That's our general term denoted by n. Some writers write Tn, that's 2n plus 1. Sum of the first. One can verify. Put 1, 2 on the 2. 2 and 1, 3. 2 to the 4, 4 and 1, 5. 2 to the 6, 6 and 1, 7 and so on. Okay, proceeding to next term. The nth term of sequence is given by this one. If the last term is 48, another base making question, how to utilize these recursive relations, what is given, what we have to find out, how to connect them, it's really very easy. Now, nth term of a sequence is given by Tn is 5n minus 2. Last term denoted by Tn, nth term or last term denoted by Tn, it's given to us. That is our 148. 148. Utilize here. Nth term is 148, our last term. Solve for n. 5n minus 2. Shift to here. On the left hand side, 142 plus 148 plus 2. It will become 150 is equal to 5 times n. Dividing by 5 to obtain value of n. 5 times s divided by 5. Cancelled out. N is equal to 30. N is equal to 30. So in that case, our right option is it has 30th term. It has 30 terms where the last term is 148. It has 30 terms where the last term is 148. Question number 5. Another good question. We have given 5th term is 22 and 10th term is 47. 5th term is 22 and 10th term is 47 and find 16th term. T16 or A16, it's okay. It's given to us, it is arithmetic. It's mentioned. Okay, cool. Apply term formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 times t. Put n is equal to 5, a 5, a plus 5 minus 1 d. Fifth term is 22. Fifth term is 22. Fifth term is 22. 22 is equal a plus 4d. It's our equation number 1. Utilizing for 10th term, put direct n is equal to 10. We have a 10, a plus 10 minus 1 times. 10th term is 47. 47 is equal to a plus 9d. 9d. It's our equation 2. Now solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. We have a plus 4d is equal to 22 while a plus 9d is equal to 47. Subtracting, cancelled out, positive 40, negative 90, positive 40, negative 90, negative 5d is the answer. 47, 22 minus 47 means 47 minus 22, 5, negative 25, minus undo each other, solve for d, d is 25 over 5, so d is equal to 5. D is 5, put in any equation, try to put in simple one. Utilizing value of a, switching value of d here. In that or in that, it's a simple one, put in first one. A plus 4 times d is 5, that's equal to 22. 4, 5 the 20, shift over there. 22 minus 22 minus 20. A is 2. Now I have A is 2, D is 5. A is 2, D is 5. We are asked to find 16th term. We are asked to find 16th term. We can easily manage. A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. 16th term. Put n is equal to 6. Our A is 2. Our n is 16. Our D is 5. 2 plus 15 times 5. 15 times 5 is 75, I think. Okay. 2 plus 75, it's our 77. So our 16th term is 77. So our 16th term is 77. 77. Last question is based on GP. These are great questions whenever three terms are present for AP, GP or HP. Either for AP, GP or HP. Find their common ratio or common difference. That is the case of GP. We are interested in common ratio. We have three terms, x plus 2 and x plus 3. We know that. The middle one is the GP. It is GM of the GP. It is the GM, geometric mean of this first and the last. Means where GM is given by root AB. That's our GM. X plus 2 root x times x plus 3. X plus 2, it's x square plus 3x. Squaring both sides to get rid of square root, we have x plus 2 whole square, it's our x square plus 3x. It will become x square 2 times x times 2 plus 2 square, x square plus 3x. X square cancelled out. Either take x square on the left or from left to right, they are cancelled out. We have 4x plus 4 is equal to 3x. Solve for x. 4x minus 3x is equal to negative. 3x there, 4 there. So x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4. One can verify whether it is a GP or not. Let's check common ratio. Put x is minus 4. Minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2. Minus 2. Minus 4 plus 3. Minus 1. Look at this. We have geometric. We have ratio is equal to. Ratio is equal to 1 over 2. 1 over 2. 4 minus 4 divided by 2, we will get minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 2, we will get 1 and so on. So our right option in that case is value of x is minus 4. Value of x is minus 4. We continue our journey of sequence and series systematic after AP, GP and HM, whatever and whatever not. Let's see and find out. It's all by itself. Next.